So now let's look at this ABG's results and then determine the imbalance that it represents. Anytime that you get a question on ABGs, the first thing that you have to determine is its normal range. So what is the normal range for pH? It is 7.35 to 7.45. And now the CO2, its normal range is 35 to 45. So meaning that the 7 points here, you have to remove them and then it will be left with the 35 and 45. That's for the CO2. And now the CO₃, its normal range is 22 to 26. Now that we have the normal range, now let's determine the imbalance that it represents. Now, anytime that you see the 7.22 here, it means it's low. Low pH means what? Acidosis. And high pH means what? Alkalosis. Alkalosis, in that order. Now, so the first one is that the pH means what? It's acidosis. This pH, low pH means acidosis. And now let's look at the CO2. For the lung, the CO2. Is it respiratory acidosis or respiratory alkalosis? Now, high CO2 also represents acidosis. So high means acidosis. Acidosis. So now we have what? Respiratory. Respiratory acidosis. That's for the second point. Now, let's look at the CO₃. The CO₃, is it normal here? So it is between 22 to 26. So it means that it is what? Within normal range. It means the kidney is doing all that it can to be able to maintain this balance here. All right. So which means that we have respiratory acidosis. Because of that, we have respiratory acidosis.